Can't find ECPay in Odoo's payment providers? Follow 7 click-by-click steps to get it installed and published in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in Odoo's accounting section, install ECPay, and ensure it's published for customers. All right, let's begin by navigating to your Odoo homepage. That's the dashboard that shows all your installed apps. Once you're there, click on the Accounting app to jump into the Accounting module. Next, find the Configuration option on the top bar and click it to open up the settings. Then click on Payment Providers to bring up the list of payment gateways available. Scroll through that list until you spot ECPay and click on it to open its configuration page. Go ahead and hit the Install button, then wait quietly while it finishes installing. Give it a few seconds. Once installation completes, click on Unpublished to publish ECPay. And just like that, you're all done. Happy selling! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.